हमारे साथ सर हमारे साथ है गजन सिंह शेखावत जो कि पंजाब के प्रभारी है। सर, जिस तरह से कल पूरा मामला हुआ 5 तारीख को, इसके बाद वहां की जो रिपोर्ट है वो रिपोर्ट में कह रहे हैं कि उन्हें तो पता ही नहीं था कि रोड के रास्ते जा रहे हैं प्रधानमंत्री।
देखिए, अब तो ये मुझे लगता है कि विषय स्पष्ट हो गया है। वहाँ के एडीजी के जो ऑर्डर्स हैं उसके पेपर सारे मीडिया में सब बंधुओं ने दिखाए हैं कि 3 दिन 4 दिन पहले ही ये बात को स्पष्ट रूप से लिखा गया था कि 1 लाख लोग इकट्ठे होंगे, वीआईपीज, चीफ मिनिस्टर एंड अदर वीआईपीज कैन ट्रैवल बाय रोड। ये इंस्ट्रक्शंस पुलिस को दिए गए थे। और इसके साथ साथ में 4 तारीख को उसका रिहर्सल हुआ है जिसमें स्टेट पुलिस ने रिहर्सल में भाग लिया है। 5 तारीख को मैंने जो बैठक ली थी उसमें सारे अधिकारियों के बीच में विस्तार से इस विषय पर चर्चा हुई है कि मौसम खराब रहने पर प्रधानमंत्री जी को बाय रोड ट्रैवल करना पड़ सकता है। और उसके बाद में भी माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने बठिंडा एयरपोर्ट पे उतरने के बाद में 25 मिनट तक इंतजार किया है और स्टेट की पुलिस के द्वारा क्लियरेंस देने, डीजी और सीएस के द्वारा क्लियरेंस देने के बाद में ही काफिला वहां से रुकने वाला है।
ने वो डॉक्यूमेंट दिखाया जो कि वहां पर जिसमें बार-बार जिक्र था कि रोड से जा सकते हैं, अल्टरनेटिव हो। फिर भी अगर इस तरह से रिपोर्ट अगर आती है, केंद्र को भेजा जाता है जिसमें कहा जा रहा है कि हमको पता ही नहीं था सड़क के मामले से जाएंगे, क्या कहेंगे आप?
ये उनके इरादों को दिखाता है, लेकिन झूठ बोल करके थोड़ी देर तक रुका जा सकता है। झूठ बोल करके कुछ देर तक लोगों को शायद उनको जो है भ्रमित किया जा सकता है, लेकिन अंततः सत्य को छिपाया नहीं जा सकता।
एक वीडियो भी आया जिसमें सर दिखाया जा रहा है कि कैसे 1 साल पहले इस तरह का वीडियो था जिसमें।
चलिए, अब वीडियो के बारे में टिप्पणी करना ठीक नहीं है।
कहा कि वीडियो पर टिप्पणी करना ठीक नहीं हुआ, लेकिन उन्होंने साफ तौर पे कहा कि ये पूरा मामला दिखाता है कि मंशा क्या थी पंजाब सरकार की। अमित कुमार, टाइम्स ऑफ नव भारत, दिल्ली।
You heard the union minister there saying that this was a pre-planned conspiracy. In fact, that was the stand taken by the center in the top court as well. We are playing out the animated video and what happened on Jan 5th on your screens at this point of time. Our senior editors are joining us on the broadcast with more details. Let's first go across to Pradeep Datta. Pradeep, except for the last portion of the animated video where the protesters managed to get out the Prime Minister, apart from just that particular portion, everything else played out. Looks like the animated video was some sort of a blueprint for the protesters, a cue maybe for the protesters to carry out the ambush. Most of it played out on the 5th of January. There are similarities between the animated video from 2020 and what happened on 5th of Jan 2022.
Yes, Swati, you are absolutely right. In fact, what actually is seen in the video is similar thing. The same template has been replicated 2 days back while Prime Minister was moving towards Firozpur. If you look at the uncanny similarity between this video and the sequence of events that took place while Prime Minister was on its way and his cavalcade got stuck up, you'll find that there was a similarity. Because that time also in that video they've shown, which was put out on December 1st, 2020. That means this was a well-scripted plan that was only orchestrated 1 year and 1 month back. After that video was put out. So in this, it clearly shows that they are going to ambush Prime Minister. Maybe they also wanted to assault and take Prime Minister's hostage. At least first part they were able to do because they had almost ambushed Prime Minister. You can see the protesters just few meters away from Prime Minister's cavalcade. They were trying to block the exit point as well as the entry point of that flyover. And they had, in fact, a different kind of a plan. And one has to be very careful because if you look at the sequence of events that had taken place in Firozpur area during the last few months, in the month of September, there was a motorcycle blast in which 1 person was killed. In the month of November, there was a Chapun box IED that was recovered along with grenade from Alike village, again in Firozpur area. Then there was a Ludhiana blast 14 days back. And then there are several other videos by Gurpatwant Singh Pannu where he is trying to instigate people on this side of the border, and already there are intelligence input how inter-service intelligence is trying to target BJP as well as RSF workers in that area. And Prime Minister is not an ordinary person.
Absolutely. In the intel note that we've accessed, it was made absolutely clear that the Prime Minister faces high degree of potential threat as far as that venue is concerned, which is extremely close to the international border. The angle of cross-border terrorism also being spoken about in the intel note, and how that entire area in fact has witnessed smuggling of narcotics and arms and ammunition as well. But it looks like that the secret intel note was also ignored by the state authorities. We have Priyank and Gurpreet joining us on the broadcast as well. I first want to go across to Gurpreet. Gurpreet, you reported from that very spot where the Prime Minister's cavalcade was stranded for over 15 to 20 minutes. Here we've accessed an animated video which shows exactly Firozpur-like area, the flyover-like area, where on one end is the Prime Minister's convoy, the Prime Minister's cavalcade, and on the other hand are the protesters blocking the highway. There are a lot of similarities between what can be seen in the animated video and what played out on the 5th of Jan. The BJP alleges, and in court as well, the stand taken by the centre is that this was a pre-planned conspiracy.
Well, this is a part of investigation, and we have seen that MHA official, they have already called all the officers to find out, and if there is such type of video which we are showing to our viewers also, they are also trying to take that angle also, because each and every detail from Firozpur, they are being taken by MHA official from the Punjab police officer. A few minutes ago, we have seen that IGP, SSP of all the range, it's from Bathinda to Firozpur, how many officers had been deployed there, they have been called there, they have been summoned there, they have been questioned here, and the way we are saying that there was one animation video, they are also looking into that angle to find out what reality behind this thing. The way this information was leaked from the police circle towards the farmers, that is also being probed. Once again, I'll request my Vijay to show that how the officers, they are coming out of this BSF Firozpur campus, where the MHA official, they are sitting inside, they are questioning all the officers inside who were supposed to give a smooth route to the Prime Minister cavalcade. Why they were not able to give a smooth route at this point of time? A lot of officers are being questioned.
Gurpreet, stay on with us. Before I go across to Priyank, we also have some reactions lined up coming in from Prahlad Patel and Som Prakash. Let's listen in.
मुझे लगता है कि इतनी बड़ी घटना को ऐसे हल्के ढंग से रिएक्ट करना, ये कांग्रेस की सोची समझी रणनीति है, और मैं ये मानता हूं कि ये संस्थागत भरोसा तोड़ने की कोशिश है, और जहां राज्य और केंद्र संबंधों का सवाल है, उनको ये चीजें बेहद कमजोर करेंगी। एक तरफ आप भय दिखा रहे हैं कि हमारी सरकार गिराने की कोशिश है, आरोप लगा रहे हैं, और दूसरी तरफ ऐसी घटिया बातें कर रहे हैं जो लोकतंत्र में कभी स्वीकार नहीं होंगी।
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी की फिरोजपुर यात्रा समय जिस ढंग नाल उन्हां दी विजिट वेले सिक्योरिटी लैप्स होया बहुत ही निंदणयोग है, और जिस ढंग नाल इस सिक्योरिटी नूं लाइटली लिया गया है, और देश दे पंजाब दे मुख्यमंत्री चन्नी साहब ने इस नूं बहुत लाइटली और इस नूं जस्टिफाई करने की कोशिश की है। ये बहुत ही निंदणयोग गल है, और इत्ते बहुत वड्डा संज्ञान लैके पंजाब सरकार के उत्ते कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए है। DGP, चीफ सैकटरी ते होर अफसरां दे विरुद्ध कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए है, ते होम मिनिस्ट्री नूं रिजाइन करना चाहिए है।
Let's go across to Priyank now. Priyank, there was a hearing in the top court after a plea was filed seeking judicial inquiry and suspension of some top officials in Punjab. The Supreme Court heard the matter, has asked the Registrar General of the Punjab and Haryana High Court to preserve all the travel details of the Prime Minister's visit to Punjab. In fact, the Supreme Court also has ordered all the agencies, whether central agencies or state agencies, to cooperate with the probe. Now, in the court, the SG told the Supreme Court that the Prime Minister's convoy, in fact, took the road route only after getting a clearance. There was no information shared with the SPG about the blockade, about the hurdles ahead.
See, Swati, since yesterday, we have been talking to the senior officials who, some of them have retired, some of them have been serving. Various post high ranks in the police force. They are saying that this kind of act was certainly condemnable, and that never in their future they have witnessed something like this. If at all the blockade would have been done by the farmers, the ideal role of the law enforcing agency, which was responsible to take care of the outer cordon of this particular security, should have removed these protesters. But very interestingly, one of the UT cadre officer who directly reports to the MHA has also been appointed by the apex court in this particular panel, who is the DG of Chandigarh, which is a union territory. And that will be important to see that the partiality should be there, because the mixture of these officers, which has been appointed by the apex court, clearly establishes that officers from the state as well as from the center side will be part of this. Because this is not a matter of, Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister. This is a matter of the Prime Minister of the country, and how security lapses can be avoided in this kind of scenario. If we talk about the intel note, Swati, which is clearly specifically talking about the recent incidents of activities related to funded by Pakistan, has happened in this jurisdiction of radius of 10 to 15 kilometer of Firozpur, which is a very serious major matter of concern. The animated video was first shown by Times Now, Swati. You remember almost a year back when the farmer agitations were happening, these videos were very much viral. And by learning from these videos, which was allegedly made in Canada, this kind of attempt being totally, made.
Absolutely. The big question is that was this video in fact a cue, a blueprint for what was witnessed on the 5th of Jan, scripted in 2020? Was it executed in 2022? Thank you very much to all our senior editors and reporters for getting us the details. We'll have a quick break, but we'll keep on tracking this big story and all the angles associated with it.